Hello, I am your instructor, Brittany Bright. This is a quick example of what your PowerPoint presentation will resemble once it's uploaded to YouTube. I have not included as much information or all of the requirements for your assignment. However, I wanted to show an example. Be sure to follow your assignment requirements on Blackboard, also discussed here in this PowerPoint, prior to converting your PowerPoint into a video and then uploading it to YouTube for submission. I graduated with my bachelor's in information technology from the University of Arkansas Fort Smith in 2007. Upon completion of my degree, I worked as a programmer for a year while working on my master's in information systems from the University of Arkansas. It was during my time here that I discovered a love for teaching. Upon completion of my master's, I decided to work on a Doctor of Philosophy in Education from Oklahoma State University. I am now ABD, meaning all of my coursework is completed and the dissertation is the only thing left for completion. I hope to have this finished by next summer. Notice that what I have included in my bulleted points are very short and to the point. Yours should be as well. Any PowerPoint presentation should be designed for as little reading as possible. The purpose of the PowerPoint presentation is not for your audience to be able to read exactly what you're going to say. That becomes very useless and boring for your audience. Rather, you should create slides with bullet points and/or pictures that allow you to remind yourself of each point to be discussed. This is where the rehearsing and preparation become a key factor. Your preparation is very obvious to your audience, whether you realize it from a speaker standpoint or not. Again, these are things you should remember in your classes here in the future. You will be required to create PowerPoint presentations where you present information to the class, whether it be something from a group or individual work. Keep in mind not to design your PowerPoint so that your audience can read what you're going to say before you even say it. As you can see in this slide, this is your assignment requirements for this week. You should have a title and a conclusion slide included in your presentation. Your conclusion slide can be something brief with a picture in which you state something like, again, my name is Brittany Bright and I look forward to getting to know more about everyone in the class. It can be short, concise, nothing too complex. You should have at least 5 slides in your presentation. This is not to say you should have 10, 15, or 20. Your presentation should be short, but you should have at least 5 to 6 slides inside of your presentation. You should have a template applied to your presentation. For each of these templates, PowerPoint 2010 includes different themes that allow you to actually change the colors. I recommend utilizing these features so that you can create a PowerPoint presentation that uniquely identifies yourself through your presentation. You can also view additional templates on office.com. This website provides numerous templates for you to choose from based on categories, and you're welcome to use those. Your presentation should also include some kind of clip art or picture at some point in your slideshow. It doesn't matter which slide has them or if every slide has them, but you should have clip arts or pictures included in your slideshow. In order to further illustrate your skills with PowerPoint, I would recommend using the different features PowerPoint offers for working with pictures. For example, picture styles. This would improve the overall look and feel of your presentation to your audience. I demonstrated the use of picture styles on my title slide with my picture. As also, the purpose of this assignment is for you to demonstrate your ability to use Microsoft PowerPoint, so keep that in mind. At least one of your slides should include the use of a shape or a smart art graphic to further illustrate your ability to use the features in PowerPoint. I have actually used the shape on the last slide of this PowerPoint, the next slide actually, so that you can see what that would appear like in your presentation. But you do not have to use the shapes. You can also use the smart art graphics. That is your choice. Lastly, remember the rule of 7s when you are preparing your presentation. You should have no more than 7 lines of text per slide and no more than 7 words per line. Be short and to the point. Again, you are not reading your slides. You can type out a script for your presentation in the notes or specific key points inside of the notes that you would like to discuss for your recording, especially if you would like, but you are not to put this into the slides themselves, either for this presentation or future presentations. Once you have saved your PowerPoint presentation as a video using the instructions I posted on Blackboard, you will then upload it to YouTube. I have also posted step-by-step instructions for doing this on the assignment in Blackboard. You will then see a screen that resembles the one shown here during the completion of uploading your file. In the drop-down that says Public on your screen, I recommend changing this option to Unlisted, but that is your choice. Do not change it to Private. If you change the option to Private, then myself or your fellow classmates can neither one see your presentation video. This screen will provide you with the YouTube link that you will submit for your wiki assignment on Blackboard. I have circled the location of where to find the link for your video. If you'll notice, there's an arrow towards the top of the slide that says Video Link. This is where you will find the link that you will need to submit for your assignment. It will automatically save all of your changes, but if the button in the bottom right that says Save Changes is still active, please click on this just in case prior to closing your browser. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to help with any issues that you might have with developing your presentation or uploading it to YouTube. Hopefully the instructions that I have provided both in this PowerPoint presentation as well as on your assignments walk you through step by step without any issues. I hope you all have a great week, and I look forward to getting to know more about each and every one of you.